Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you are living good and fine. Myself, Angel Miss from Kingston Preschool. Today, I am going to teach you all phonic sounds of alphabet T, U, V, W. Now, let's start our sounds. T is for tiger. T, T, tiger. T is for tiger. T, T, tiger. T is for tortoise. T, T, tortoise. T is for tortoise. T, T, tortoise. So what is the sound of T? The sound of T is T. The sound of T is T. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. So what is the sound of U? The sound of U is The sound of U is V is for vegetables. Vegetables. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. V is for violin. Violin. V is for violin. Violin. So kids, what is the sound of V? The sound of V is V. The sound of V is V. W is for watch. Watch. W is for watch. Watch. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. So kids, what is the sound of W? The sound of W is V. The sound of W is V. Kids, in next video we will be learning the phonic alphabet sounds of X, Y and Z. We will meet in next video. Bye.